Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a traditional dashi stock. First, gather your essential ingredients. A 10-gram piece of kombu, which is dried kelp, and 10 grams of katsuobushi, or dried bonito flakes. You will also need 1 liter of water. This foundational broth is crucial for many Japanese dishes, offering a rich umami flavor. Next, place your 10-gram piece of kombu into a pot with 1 liter of cold water. Let it soak for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step helps extract the deep umami flavors from the kombu without making the dashi bitter. Avoid soaking for too long, as this can also negatively impact the taste. Now, gently heat the pot over medium-low heat. Watch carefully and remove the kombu just before the water reaches a full boil, ideally around 85 degrees Celsius. This prevents bitterness. Once the kombu is out, bring the water to a boil, then turn off the heat and immediately add your 10 grams of bonito flakes. Allow the bonito flakes to steep in the hot water for about 5 minutes. Then, carefully strain the dashi through a fine mesh sieve, ideally lined with cheesecloth, to ensure a clear broth. Your fresh dashi is now ready to use in soups, sauces, or other dishes. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.